Hello there. I'm going to continue coding my visual novel project. Today, what am I talking about? Anyway, hold on. Here we go. I want to have an history section for this project, so I'm gonna do that. It's probably going to be on canvas, right? Let's make a control node. Hmm, a panel. A panel is better, right? Let's make a panel here. And I want it to be have not the whole screen, but actually, but yeah, apparently I can have it like this. So let's make it like that. I I will have anchors. So when screen size changes, it will stay on here. Aspect won't change and stuff like that. Let's see. Maybe a little bit bigger might be better. But anyway, this is good, I believe. To keep things tidy, we are gonna add some containers. Oh wait, I made a mistake. Panel is not the right choice. Okay, we want a panel container for this. Yay! Big, big and good panel container. The good thing about this, you can have backgrounds in your container. I can change backgrounds for this instead of gray transparent screen later on. And we will add some vertical box container. And where is it? I have no idea. I guess it's the same size as panel container. Actually, let's get a margin container as well. What it does, it gives paddings to the left, right, and top, bottom, and stuff like that. You go to layout. No, wait. Theme overrides, constants, margin, top, left, right, and bottom. Let's make it, which is bottom. This is margin right. I want it to be 50. Bottom is 25. Left is 50 as well. Top is 25. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think it's good. Hmm. Do I want VBox container here? That's the question. Because I want to scroll top and left. But I also want a name here, right? Let's add a child note here. The label. And it's gonna be history. Let's align it to center and make it a little bit bigger. 32 pixels are good for now, I believe. And let's add a scroll bar. Wait, not a scroll bar, scroll container. What we need. Scroll container is intended to work with a single child control. Use a container as child. Dbox, hashbox, etc. I see. So I need to give a dbox container for this to work. Alright. First of all, we got the need to change layout, container sizing, expand, and we will give scroll container a lot of space, like huge badonkers. Let's, yeah, this is good. And for VBox container, we will have labels here, or never mind. We are gonna have a separator. Wait, hash. No, hash, not separator. Hash split container is what I want to have. This is going to be a prefab, by the way. We are gonna have a label here. Label. And we are gonna have. Actually, we are gonna have two labels. Or maybe we can have more better stuff. What we can have? Rich text label is another good choice, I believe. Yeah. Ebox container, it's bad. Scroll Ebox. Layout, container sizing, expand, expand. Nice. Do I need a lot of VBox containers or do I need one? Anyway, we will figure out later. And let's give them more layout as well. Expand. Lovely. But what we want here, this to have much, much, much place. We I, 8 to 1 is great, I believe. 8, 8 to 1. Yeah. Or 5 to 1. Yeah, 5 to 1. Cool. Hmm. Hmm. Margin container, panel container, VBox container. I'm gonna add hashbox container as well. I'm gonna put label and a button. Layout, expands, and this is going to have more size, obviously. And button is gonna be a close button. Yeah, we can see it now. Font size is 36. Is a little bit too much. Apparently 32. Yay. Great. How does it look? Well, it's okay, I believe. Let's save in case something happens. Oh, name. Mm, name. We can make this. Ugh, hold on. Instead of hash split container, let's just have a hashbox container. Child node, hashbox container. Give it there. Yay, lovely. Let's center vertical alignment, center as well. For this, rich text label. Hmm. Hmm. Apparently, I can't center this one. Or can we? Text direction, left to right. Actually, I can leave it at auto. Okay. Yeah, I will add a middle separator for this. Hash separator, no, V separator. Yay, yay. It's very small though. Anyway, yeah, it's good. Can I also give you expand? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah. All right. Now we can give some script to this. History. History panel. I will call this. Do I need to give it functionality? I think I need. Let's give a script called history panel. Create it. Why I need to give this functionality? Because I'm gonna send signals to it most of the time. Hmm. It might be difficult to. Anyway, let's do some exports. Export variable word container. I need to give it a type, and my word container is going to be VBox container, right? Because we are gonna just fill it with hashboxes. Hashbox. Let's save this. Pause store panel, word container, VBox container. Or should I do scroll container? Well, we will see it. Now, we are going to our visual novel processor. Normally what we do here, we get a text from TXT file, get every single line, separate them, and we have a line count at our global node that's a singleton that I um, load to the game in very beginning. Then we increase the line count as the story processes. If it's a choice, we get choice, index, whatever people click on. So for every line we get, excluding the not choiced lines, we have to write it in history, basically. So I need a function that add to history. It will get a two important arguments, which is current speaker and line. We will get history box here, get line from here. Actually, we need to call it here, actually. Yeah. Handling line. Hmm. I can do it in dialog control, I suppose. Hold on. Sprite group, dialog control. Here. Display line, speaker line. It exactly gets this. So yeah, let's do it here. Let's get our history panel first. Variable history panel, panel get nodes. Hmm. I can't get it because I need to do this. Story panel. Yeah, cool, I guess. Let's say pass. We need an array in here. Variable history array. Let's save. Do I get some? Yeah, nothing is here. Function process delta. Let's do it like this. Pass. I'm gonna send a signal. Signal array changed. And variable array count, array size, let's say, equals, actually, I need to do this already. Ready equals history array, okay, that gets size, yeah. If history array dot size not equals to array size, you're gonna emit signal that array changed. I guess I have to do it like this. So whenever something get add to this array, it's gonna send this signal. Why did I do this? I don't know, but I think we will need it. It's usually like that. Okay, we go to the chat box now. I mean dialog control, but I didn't name them same for some reason. You should never do that. So in here, box tag display text, but also I want to do add to history, which is speaker and line. What now? Hmm. I get history panel. So what do I need to do is I will rename this into text. No, actually, text container is good, I believe. Text container. And we are gonna make a scene out of it. Like this. And our scene is added to the wrong. Wait, where is it? Oh no, I lost it already. Text container, yeah, it's right here. But it's getting so confusing here, so I'm just gonna carry it here. It didn't get carried. Let's carry it again then. Scenes. Yes. Lovely. I can actually. Nah. There should be a function called get child by name. I'm gonna search for it. Godot's documentation. And what we have here is node. Yeah, node. Node, get nodes, get nodes, get child. with index. Find parent. Find child. I think it's find child. Let's check it out. Finds the first descendant of this node whose name matches pattern, as in string match. Internal children are also searched over. See internal parameter in add child. Does not match against the full paths, just against with individual node names. Yeah, this is what I want. And it returns a node. So it's gonna find and return. Cool. Oops, the wrong segment. History panel. Find child. And what we want is, yeah, I need to rename this. History container. History container. Find child. History container. Yeah. Cannot open file text container. Well, loading resource text container. Blah blah. Why? Oh, it's empty. Oh no, what I put? Okay, I'm gonna open this here. Yeah, it worked like this. Then I'm gonna delete this for now and add it again. It should work now. I get my history container. And we have text container as well. What do I want? Hold on. Character manager. A resource loader. No, preloads. Yeah, I'm gonna use preloads. There. Variable text container equals to loads or preloads. Scenes text container. Text container that instantiates variable instance. So what we do here is basically we made a text scene, which is text container, and we load that scene via code, then instantiate it. So we can add as a children to this historic container panel. Yeah. But first we need to change the instance of it. Oh wait, first I need to make an, not a dictionary, but array, double array. Let's check. Let's do it. You have a text, right? Variable text is basically an array of line and wait, current speaker and line. Is this going to work though? Yeah, let's try. Print text, let's say. Run current scene. And whenever I click, oh no, history panel is turning null instance. Why? Find child. History panel is this. Don't tell me. I don't want to do that. Why? Let's check it out. History panel is not found. Root, my game, dialog control. Because you are not in the dialog control. Yes, I know why. Where are we? Chat box. And this is dialog controls thingy. History panel? No. It's canvas history panel. Right? Yep. Let's try it again. Yeah. Let's check it out. Ha ha ha, you can't deny witches anymore, do you? Beato said this. Yes, it did work, actually. Nice. We get text container, instance, what do we have here? Instance that get child or find child, let's say that. Label dot text. I know. Equals to current speaker. Instance dot find child rich text label equals to line dot text obviously. It's the line. What do we do? What did we do here? New text. Text equals new text. Yeah, it's text. Okay. Now we want to variable history container equals to this, and history container dot add child instance. So whenever this code runs, it has to add a child to this thingy. Oh god. Yeah, apparently my stream is showing the wrong thing again. Yes. Beato, ha ha ha, you can't deny witches anymore, do you, Batora? Ugh, I'm thinking, but it's useless, all useless. Actually, hold on, let me show this. Well, there is no other choice. I have to use my secret weapon. Chessboard thinking. Well, give it a try. He will be bowing and praising my name in less than 1 minute. Obviously, I had to close this story thingy first, but I didn't put a function for that. History panel has a, guess what? Button. When this button pressed, not really pressed, but something like this. I connect it to here. Actually, I didn't use this at all. I don't need it. Oh well. Self. That's right. Yes. And if dialog control has this history, emit signal history, emit signal history connects to history panel. Yay! I have connected all the things. Self.show. Yeah, I have bugs. Well, let's clear it. And oh my god, it's still not working. Click, yay, click, yay. Lovely. And you know what? I am going to delete this one. Delete nodes. Yes. And history? Yes. No. We no longer? Yeah, ha ha ha. Anyway, let's skip ahead. I'm gonna close history now. Flip the chessboard. Here you go! Yay! What are you doing? This is not thinking. Oh my god, world is turning around. Wait, wait. How do I stop this thing? You imbecile, you didn't know? Anyway, I love these two characters, by the way. If you didn't read Human Echo, you should. To anyone who is watching, I guess. Yay, I won! Can you stop this thing, please? Okay, here you go. What's happening? Yeah, yeah, what are you doing? Okay, let's check history. And we can scroll. Yeah, this doesn't have anything. It's okay. Ah, lovely, man, lovely. I love this. Kinzo, Master, shall we start again? Oh, efforts! And this is the ultimate joy we can achieve. Ufufu, to think that Kinzo did all of this just because he didn't want to admit things. Yeah, it's great, but I think we should start from bottom. And I don't know how to do that. Oh well, this can stay like this for a while. I think it's beautiful. It might be better if I just have more. Uh, Actually, I can do that in here, right? History container, inspector, and team overrides, constant separation. 5, how it looks. It's more readable, I think. I can make it more separated. 10. Let's make it 10. Wait, am I saving these? I have one debug. Perimeter fader never used. Ah, well, whatever. Yeah. Oh, let's make it 40 and see how it looks. Oh, this is better actually, right? Yeah, these empty spaces exist because in my scripts I didn't fix them. They they are empty lines in my script, so that's why it's there. Cool, nice. What can we do most here is adding some voice acting, voice buttons to repeat the voice these guys said, but yeah, I don't have voice acting anyway, but that's something I can add later on. Lovely. What I don't understand is all of this it says, but yeah, cool. And when I load this, It's not gonna disappear, right? Yeah, yeah, it's not gonna disappear. Well, I can make another function which is gonna erase everything and game is loaded. Process. If global is loaded, I need to get history container again. Get history container again. And I'm gonna give it 4. E in range history container dot get child count history container get child 0 q3. If I do this, whenever I load anything, it will reset this. Let's try actually. Load. Then nope, it's still there. Oh, maybe I should restart the game. Let's skip. Wait, stop the board. By the way, I'm getting everything. Yay, lovely. Let's load it here. History is still there. Nah, it's not working. It should work though. Like, print. Did I work? I did work. Yeah. Did you work though? Nope, you didn't. Let's go to menu, main menu, new game. We don't have history. We get history. Load this. We still have history. Okay. And it worked. No, I did work, didn't work. So if global is loaded, I don't have global is loaded maybe? What do I have? Is loaded. Yeah, I do have global is loaded. Hmm. When I load game, it should do global is loaded. True. Yeah. When global is loaded, it will go to the Vision Novel processor and to pass load. pass loads. It passes the loads and is loaded as false. Yeah, interesting. Technically, it should work, but it's not working. So what if I do this instead? Maybe I just did write this wrong. Might be the case. Like it can be range. I think so, but let's try. Let's load the game and go here. This button is working. This button is working. It worked. Now let's restart the game. Loads. Load this. No, not at all. This button is not working at all. Doesn't make sense at all as well. You know, I can always I can always use a signal. Always. When this works, you know, you should also emit signal. I'm gonna write it right here actually. Signal, I load it. I load, emit signal. I load. Ugh, fuck. Doesn't work because I need to write on top. Signal I load. Emit signal I load. I load. And I go there. First I need to save this obviously. Got there. I load, connect to the allow control, I believe. Yeah. Yay, where is it? Yay. And I do this. Okay. Actually, history. Yeah, we have a lot of history now. Load. Let's load this. And our history is still there. God damn it. But did it work? I did work, he says. He did indeed work. But why? Do you think they still exist? What if I do this? E. It did work actually. You see, it worked. I have this much history, And I'm gonna load here. And I don't have history. It worked. Yay. Apparently I need to, let me smell this. I needed to put the actual index to get this to be erased. And it did work. And it did work and left the last one, which is empty. What if I go here? It will say, what are you doing? See? It works perfectly now. And I think I have everything. Like, oh wait, hmm, I still don't have these, but it's not really has to be now. Skip is working, which is nice. Uh, and I can quick save here, go to the menu, new game, quick load. Lovely. Everything is in order except my choices are kinda not that good coding wise. I will fix that later. Um, it's in here, right? Yeah, basically, what I do is when a choice line appears, I get everything until the next choice and place a bookmark. Like, uh, let's say first choice happened in line 15. It's gonna register the line 15. Second choice happened in line 20. It's gonna say second choice is 20. And when the all choices end, it's gonna register that. And if I choose one, I go from 15 to 20. And when it goes to 20, it's gonna jump to the last one. Like, let's say choices, all the choices end in line count 30. It's gonna jump to the 30. But the wrong thing is that if I decide to make a choice in first choice, like uh, inherit, what is the word for that? Anyway, choice inside choice, like Inception, it's gonna broke because there's no longer they can't not program can't decide where is the end now. So I need to fix that, but a later time. Well, it is enough for today's, not really today's, but for now I'm gonna have a break. So see you later.